this video we're going to go over how to renumber pages even though they're in order. Some people were asking about confidential pages and how to separate but keep the page numbers. So the first thing you got to know is you've got to put in a section break. So I'm going to turn on my invisibles, and it shows where my tabs are, where my spaces are, anything like a page break or a section break. So now I want to take and renumber page 4 to page 500, but I don't want to change any of the rest of the page numbers. So here I'm going to insert a section. Now you can go to the top, click Insert, Break, and then Section Break. But you see the little picture here? It's right here. So I'm going to insert a section break, and you're going to see that there is a section break there. Also, when I click down, well, if I click up here, down here on our status bar, it'll say I must have a section break in here already. And I do. So this is section 2. This is now section 3. Now I want to change my page number here to 500. I can go File, Page Setup, Change Current Settings, or I can hit Control E. Then I'm going to go to Layout, Restart Page Number, and type in my page number that I want to change it to. Alright, so now, if I didn't say it before, just to be clear, you got to make sure your cursor is on the section you want to make the change in. Now I'm going to go back up to this section and we'll see that it has not affected the page number. And you'll see the page number is incrementing. But let's say I don't, this is the only page I want to affect. So again, I'm going to put a section break. I'm now in section 4. I'm going to hit Control E. And this needs to be page 5. And there you go. And that's about it for renumbering your pages. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in my next video.